Hi, I'm Taylor with VertDesk.com, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your programmed container stop settings. The reason that you would do this would be in case you decided to get rid of your file cabinet underneath your desk, or you no longer have a shelf above your desk, so you can continue to move your desk to its lowest height or maximum height. To clear your minimum desk height settings, move your desk down until it stops. Once it stops, press the up arrow button 4 times. Once you've entered the menu, press up until you've reached P06 and then press the 1 button. This confirms that you have changed your minimum height settings. To change your maximum desk height settings, move your desk up until it stops. Once it stops, press the up arrow 4 times rapidly. Once in the menu, go up to P07 and then hit 1 to confirm. You have now cleared your maximum desk height settings and should be able to move your desk up past your previous maximum height settings. And that's how to delete your programmed container stop settings. If you have any other questions on the controls of your desk, please visit us at the Learning Center at VertDesk.com. Thanks for watching.